3rd of September 2024. Market just opened, it took a long. Just covered it. Got 6 more minutes. Are we gonna push higher into this? We have this level as well here. Up here, a further value gap. I want this to drop down here. There's a further value gap here on the 5 minute. $15 minutes is here, a bit higher. I want this to drop into this level here. To collect liquidity.
Order submitted.
Before we go higher. That's what I'd like to see. Am I gonna get that? We'll see.
Order submitted.
Overnight high. Four minutes. Oh, missed it. No, we didn't take that low yet. Let's see if we can tap in here. Get in there. Maybe like that. $57 past. Try to get this cheaper. Missed it.
Order
Okay,
submitted.
we're in. Let's see if that was a good decision. We're gonna bounce from here. 10 o'clock.
Order
Gonna take
canceled.
one off, just in case we drop a bit lower on the second candle. Sometimes a second candle will come here. Another one, another 5-minute candle.
Order
I'll
canceled.
take it. Now I try to buy here.
Order submitted.
Buy cheap, sell high.
Lagarde says we're not going to wait until everything is at 2% to reduced rates. And Lagarde says core inflation is on a downward trend.
What do we have today anyway? I think Fed chair power is going to speak at 155. The market is just basically overnight dropped. This is Friday. Dropped overnight. We took that level here. Got a couple of levels down here. But I think initially we'll try to go higher. We'll try to sell into these levels. Got liquidity from Friday here. as well here overnight. But we left that liquidity here. We never went into it. So let's buy this cheap. I might just have, they might rotate for another 10 minutes. Another candle will open now. Drops. Maybe here.
Order submitted.
This fair value gap is holding everything. They have 10 more minutes.
Order filled.
Very quickly scalping. They get 10 more minutes for delivery up here. And I see a little bit of divergence, you know. We are kind of trying to go higher, but delta is still 938 minus 825. So I prefer to scalp this thing.
Order
Just keep
submitted.
buying low, sell, buy low, sell higher. If I miss it, I miss it. It's alright. But we still have time. 9 more minutes. I did a lot of. I always do on the weekends. I do playback. I can recommend you to do that. If you're watching my video, I do practice a lot over the weekends just to see how the price moves, how the price behaves. So imagine you were buying that and you bought it up here. Look, you can buy it cheap. No point. No point to chase the market. If we miss it, if we miss the move, we miss the move. We already took we up 500 on the day. This could be just the end of the day for me, really. And it will be in the future. I'm not going to be chasing more. Okay, that's the first candle that we have and a positive delta. And that's a good time because it's 7 past 10 New York time. So we might have this 5-minute candle, another one will come here, somewhere here, and then we'll start to attack the top. Got time for this. Well, let's see. I think I missed it. Yeah, got some green coming. Yeah, I wanted to be in that here. Okay. Let's try here. Because now this one can just tap in the and it will start to go. If that's the bullish case, obviously, but it's bullish. Russell is going up. Could go and grab that little bit here.
Order
We're
submitted.
in. A bottom tick so far. And now we can expect move. Timing is good. We have a 15-minute candle here. We have 15-minute candle there. We have this level up here. Russell is going up. Nasdaq reversing as well up. I think I'm gonna add. I don't know. This doesn't really matter, to be honest. That's the one. That's the level. That's the obvious level. 83, 91. It's pretty much what we can do. Three more minutes.
Order
That's
submitted.
right.
Order submitted.
If we go up, we should go up now. Two minutes. Come on. No. Hmm. 58 seconds. Get some buyers stepping in. No. I don't like that
Order
anymore.
filled.
We got some buyers here, but then immediately we got sellers. I don't like that situation. The timing is as well. We should be already up here at that time. So I'm thinking they might take another 50-minute rotation, or we'll rotate to the bottom and take everybody out. Wouldn't be surprised if we did that. Nasdaq already took that level. ES is behind. Russell is up here. So, not happy with that long anymore. That doesn't mean I'm going to be shorting it immediately. We have this fair value gap now. 15 past. There is a chance that I can actually stay here for a while, for another rotation. Negative, 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 negative. Negative. Yeah, there you go. Surprise. Bull trap. This fair value gap still holding. What do we have? What do we have tomorrow? Which day it's gonna be the day? Jolt's opening, ISM manufacturing, PMI on Tuesday. ADP non-farm employment change, unemployment change. So Wednesday, Thursday could be the move. Today we might just fool around, up and down. Probably gonna go down slowly and grind lower. Because we did sell here. That was a good push. We tried. We just basically yeah. Not sure now if we're gonna push into that. Probably not. Probably gonna go first and grab this London low. Opening price was 780. Let's put that here. Sorry, 780. That's the opening price. Yeah, my fair value gap is
Looking at the Fear and Greed Index, 73 out of 100 equaling greed, and the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, 61 out of 100 also equaling greed. And looking at the VIX, currently up 2.6% at 17.39.
Still holding. We might still get that push up there. Where's Nasdaq? Yeah, Nasdaq is going down. Nasdaq is dropping. Russell already completed rotation to the upside overnight. That's overnight high.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index, prior -9.7.
$20 past. We're gonna get a bounce now. Definitely not gonna be chasing that yet. There's a lot of trapped longs here. They were hoping for easy trade up into this high. I think they're gonna pull them lower first. Should have gone on this candle here, on this one here. This candle was 10. That one should have been continuation. I like that. You had 10 o'clock, 10:05, then 10, and this should just shoot up there. And we haven't done that. That's why I changed my mind here about the long. $23 past. Yeah, down here. It feels like they are selling. Look at Delta. They are selling it. So how to get in on the short side? This will have to be inverted fair value gap. If we drop, come back, we can short off all of this thing. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 times 24 past. We could get like a little bounce first. You know, just to get people out. Whoever's short. Target will be London low. Let's 6 points down. Hmm.
10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index forecast minus 10.3 on the prior, minus 9.7.
Let's watch this. Let's watch what we're gonna do with this fair value gap now. Fuck, I missed it. I missed it. Okay. $26 past.
Order
Just gonna try
submitted.
here short.
Order submitted.
Let's see if that's a good decision, or we're gonna get smoked on that push higher. They're doing this push 3 minutes before the time they're supposed to. So I'm thinking we might get down there again and continue lower. It's just shorts covering. We have to be careful here. Looks bullish. Okay. I think. They're gonna sell into that pop. Two more minutes and we have stop losses down here. At 79.
One minute remaining.
Okay, I think we're going up.
10 seconds.
Yeah, we're going up.
Order filled.
Okay, they're taking that 15-minute candle up.
Still waiting for the data.
I want to chase this. Actually, this is 1,700. It's a good number. But I don't want to chase it. I should have gone out here when I had an opportunity.
9, higher than forecast, minus 10, spot 3.
Okay, so now we sold into this 15-minute candle. And it's... We could reverse and drop to the bottom. Because whoever was short now is out. I'm gonna
Order
try one more
submitted.
short right here. Let's see. It looks a bit like not a great idea, but I have seen that many times. They just wanted to pump this into these highs to take people out, and we could collapse now. Not the best buy, not the best sell. Should have thought about it earlier, but if this works, it will immediately deliver to the downside. If that works.
Texas oil production fell 0.6% month over month in July to 5.706 million barrels per day, the first monthly decline since January, according to the EIA.
There's a little bit of unfinished business, right? No, actually they did it on the RTH. They did this on RTH. But they haven't taken that London law. Let's give me a little bit of something.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order submitted.
Now they're gonna pop. Let's grab that.
Order filled.
This is how you steal money. Back to 400 on the day. Okay. Good delta, good delta. You still need to sell it into that level. did sell into that level as well. We sold into this, this, and that. 3 candles. Nasdaq is still below. Nasdaq is here. ES is up here again. But Nasdaq doesn't have any reason to go higher because problem with Nasdaq is they already sold up there. ES hasn't. But that's the level we're thinking about, right? Okay, now we sold into that level. And just what is it, like one, not even 1 point? Not enough, in my opinion, but I would really want this to get up there, sell properly up here, and drop, grab everything one more time, and then we sell up here. That would be ideal scenario.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can, maybe that was enough. 38. Yeah, this is going down. You see? Fair value gap. Which is here. This one hasn't been inverted because that's just a wick. Still buyers.
Order cancelled.
In my opinion, they didn't take that level properly. We need, what is it, 91 and a half. We need at least 1.5 point. Yeah, that's a bearish fair value gap up there. What they can do right now is 40 past. And that will be 90, 92.5.
Order submitted.
Somewhere here, if we could just pop. Take the stop losses. And that thing is weak. One and a half, 92, 91, 92.50. Yeah, it will be a proper liquidity sweep if we get a push up there. So what have we achieved today so far? We popped, we didn't sell into that, we dropped, collected, and now we are trying to sell into this level. Perhaps this one as well. A lot of people shorting that thing right now here. So I might change my mind about shorting from here, because the longer we stay, I got 1 more minute now on another 15-minute candle, which is this one here. We might get a push.
Order cancelled.
I was hoping for a move earlier. Well, it looks like they wanted to stay here for a while. I'm building up liquidity up here. Might go with one, but at the same time, we already been here. We didn't take this. I think this is decent. That's decent. We could go higher. But if we want to go high, that means we should drop down here first to collect 1, 2, 3 minutes of trading. 15 minutes of trading. So we should drop to this level to collect it, and then we can go. So it will have to be a drop into this fair value gap here, into this level. Ah, come on. But if we go earlier than this, I mean, yeah, they have collected all of that. That's an hour of trading. That's 1 hour of liquidity. Or we can just go push into that level here. Yeah, nothing, we're gonna go up. It does look like. The problem is with Nasdaq. Nasdaq is just behind. Nasdaq is just sitting here. They've done the job at the open. Now it's just sitting here. We didn't take that level on Nasdaq. ES is up here. Used to take this level properly. Still didn't take it. Just sit on your hands now, on weight. Okay, we got a bit of selling coming in here. This will still be, this level is still gonna be popped. Don't mind the selling. It will still pop it. They should. To complete transaction, they drop down here to collect everything. Yeah, to collect all of that. Now they need to sell it. 80, 78, 50. 1.5 point. Here will be a lot of liquidity. You could just push into this liquidity. I mean, that's what I think they're gonna do. They will try to push into this liquidity up here. Not only that, but this one as well. Because that level, let's just remove that. Because that level here, $96.25. That's just one quarter, one tick. Hasn't been swept properly. Okay. So wait. We have a macro right now. 1050 macro. Is it 1050 macro? No, it was 950 macro. There's no macro right now yet. There you go. They popped it. Yeah. So quick look at Nasdaq.
Order
Let me just
submitted.
try and short this here. Just for a little scalp. Let's see if that's a good decision. technically speaking, they have completed transaction here with that push. But it's just everything so slow. Not the way I prefer. I know that not the way I like it when market moves. Yeah. Kind of chased that move. $51. Just gonna go and grab this thing, in my opinion, and reverse. Oh fuck, have I missed it? Come on. Alright,
Order filled.
I missed that. I had 100 on my hands. I don't know, I think, yeah, they're gonna grab this 5 minute and reverse it back up. Time is still 7 minutes. They keep building this liquidity up here, and when they do something like that, there's always a danger that we could just, and whoop, pretty much. Could just do that. So you don't want to overstay your welcome, once you're in a good trade. I got still 5 minutes.
Order submitted.
You try one more time. Because they could go down there to collect that 15-minute candle. That range. Just to collect it before we start to go higher. Are we going higher? We could. Let's see how this candle. The next one will open in 18 seconds. Delta is 1000 minus the. A new one will open, can pop a little bit and get down there. It's just scalping kind of a ranging day. I still think, if we'll see what's gonna happen after that. If we're gonna go, got 5 minutes. New candle should open now. If we pop and we start to go higher, but not yet, not on this candle, but not right now yet. I should get down there first to collect. I can stay in this, look for the short only for another minute. If I can pop here, start going down. Let's go. And that's the obvious lows that they will try to attack. So you know what the thing is, you know, it might just go down, grab that 15-minute, and then pop and start pushing higher. Yeah. So they want to collect before going up. Collect stop losses. Yeah, well, I cannot be in this short anymore.
Order cancelled.
It's too close to full hour. Now I can look for long from here. When we take that low, if we take that low. They might also just get that bit. And this level has been played already, so. Yeah, I think that's what they're trying to do. Go up here. Looks bullish, 1,700, 2,700. You know, when you look at that, you know, this selling was 1,900, 800, 700. Suddenly we got proper move. So it is bullish. We did sell into this level, but not a lot. Now we have created a lot of liquidity here on the short side. You know, plenty of shorts up here. These shorts, when the price will go through this level, these shorts will be closing and will propel and move into the upside, into this level here. So we have to catch that long, right? Nasdaq is just sitting down there, not doing much. Fifteen seconds. Alright, let's see. So we have another 15-minute candle here. Could drop into this. Or we can drop down here. 15-minute liquidity sweep. Not a lot of liquidity on this candle here. A bit more here. Okay. Nice pop.
Order
Let's
submitted.
just try to catch this to the downside. I'm actually chasing it right now. No.
Order cancelled.
Should have sold here if I move to this stop losses down here. It's too late now. Whoever was short on this candle and that, like a week shorts, they got out. Alright, so Nasdaq is trying to pick up a little bit. Russell holding. Just wait. We're sitting here building liquidity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. 5-minute candles, 60 minutes. 30 minutes of liquidity. Yeah, we had 1 hour here. I got 30 minutes here. But they still didn't take that level. Usually they get down there and they grab the level before we go higher. So
Order submitted.
One short here into this level here. Risky trade, but because this is the second time we're going up there. On the first time would be better. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. What now? Now they're taking the top without taking the bottom. This is how they want to play. Big mistake. But if they want to go lower, that's what they want to do. Take the high first, load up, and drop. But I'm gonna close here because I just my entry was shit. I was playing completely different thing. I assumed we're gonna go down first to go higher, but they decided to actually pop this stop losses first. And they did this by again just 1 quarter, 2 quarters. So not enough. It's better to be out because we might come back up here again. Very slow market, no conviction in any direction. It's just kind of, I mean, yeah, we are correcting inventory. We basically correcting overnight inventory, pretty much. That's overnight high, overnight low. It's just kind of meandering. It seems like an obvious level to push into. Maybe even up here. Russell is going up. Just made a new high of the day. That was a good escape. Break-even escape. It's interesting that they didn't take that level. It tells me that we're gonna come back here. We might dump it at some point into this London low. It's like the way I look at this thing. Daily. Going up. We pushed. We tried again. I couldn't. We might just go down here. Today is Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday is a day when we can have a bit of decision, right? Tuesday jolts, opening, ISM manufacturing. But wait a second, something is happening here. Something is happening. You should be short. You should be short here. They're going for that level down here. Yeah. Front running. Yeah, look at that. They sold 1,000 dot. Yeah, that looks like a good place from here. We could get down there. But I missed that. Just looking at daily. I didn't. Again, I just didn't take that properly. It's just grabbing like 2 quarters, 3 quarters of the move. And now I don't know how to classify that thing. Is this a stop loss run? 87.50 87. That's like half a point. Well, I didn't see a pop of the stop losses. I didn't see this burst of stop losses, you know.
Order submitted.
Let me just try to short this one
Order
more time.
submitted.
Let's see. What time is it? 11. Let's see if we can take this properly now. The 15-minute candle is down here. Let's just close in front of it. View up. View up's gonna be a problem as well. View up is close. God damn it. That's the problem, how to classify that. Is this a sweep of liquidity or not? In my opinion, it wasn't, but what do I know? A lot of liquidity here, down up to here really. Should we risk and try to grab that like this? I don't know, man. I don't know. Hmm. Two more minutes and we have a 15-minute candle down here, which is here. And up there as well. I don't know. I think I made a mistake. Hmm. Okay,
Order
I'm out.
filled.
I have to take that loss. So basically, I wasn't sure whether this is a liquidity sweep or not on the 15-minute candle here, because the drop was just 77, half a point really.
Fed bids for 3-month bills
But
total $4.9 billion, and Fed bids for 3-month bills $2.1 billion.
Because market is very, very sluggish. It might have been enough. So if that was a liquidity sweep, we should be pushing up here now. But I'm not gonna be buying here because if that thing wasn't, I'm gonna lose again. Quarter past.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna try one more time. Let's see. Ridiculous.
Order filled.
Stupid. Very stupid. Now they sold into that. I'll try one more time.
Order
Two
submitted.
this time, because they sold into that. So hopefully now we're gonna go and grab this properly at the bottom. And if not, then
Order
I'll
canceled.
just take one. Let's see if we can get a continuation. Because if we drop now, we're gonna go to the bottom. If that was just if that was the pop stop losses. Have to give space now for this one.
At 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the US sells $79 billion in 3-month bills, prior bid to cover of 2.84 and a prior high yield of 4.54%. And the US sells $72 billion in 6-month bills, prior bid to cover ratio of 3.42 and a prior high yield of 4.27%.
Mm-mm. No. Are you going to break this down now or not? Looks good. 2 more minutes on this candle. I'm gonna give him 1 tick more. If we start to go lower, this level is obviously here, but not a lot of liquidity here. That means that we could go even to the bottom. So pretty good trade if it works. $24 past. Got 6 more minutes. If this transaction is completed up there, then market should go lower. If it is completed. Five minutes.
That's 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. The US sells $79 billion in 3-month bills, prior bid cover of 2.84 and a prior high yield 4.54%. And the US sells $72 billion in 6-month bills, prior bid cover of 3.42 and a prior high yield of 4.27%.
We got auction at 30. We have auction at 30. So I'm going to get out from this trade. Because anything can happen. We can get a nasty push higher.
Order filled.
Just get out and wait for the auction. Alright, let's think what they could do as well. Is this kind of thing still holding a lot of green? gave a little bit of profit, $200. We could actually do a little bit of pushing up there. You know, like a final
Order submitted.
push. They could use this auction for this kind of low liquidity environment and just push higher to sweep the highs properly.
Order cancelled.
Maybe we'll go long on that push. I don't want to go long. Feels like obvious target. Nasdaq is already pushing into the 15-minute candle up here. See that? Oh, they took it. Okay, they took it. They took that. Two minutes. One minute.
Order submitted.
Into
Expecting the results of the 3 and 6 month bill auctions.
Order filled. Order submitted.
let's see. We can squeeze up there. Let's go.
Order canceled.
Okay. Let's see if we get there and get up there. Like a final squeeze on low liquidity.
Stop filled.
No.
4 spot 215%, 4 spot 215%. 3-month bill bid to cover ratio 2 spot 71, 2 spot 71 with a high yield of 4 spot 5%, 4 spot 5%.
Technically speaking, they sold again into that thing. It's just the way they're selling today is just so slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was hoping for like a final squeeze into this level here. Okay, I think it's
Order
I'm gonna try
submitted.
short here. Come on.
Order submitted.
I was gonna try because I think they already made a lot. Nasdaq as well did some pretty easy to for price to come down here for sure. Yeah. I think we're gonna be reversing now. Yeah, we took this 15-minute. Oh shit. Oh shit, we took that 15-minute, but we didn't take this one. So I'll try to stay in this tilted place. Mm-hmm. Should really go down. Front running will be a problem, yeah. Yeah. Okay,
Order
let's just take
filled.
that. I think the front running will just pull it up. We'll have an opportunity to get in one more time.
Order submitted.
So liquidity has been swept. When you look at that, you know. Oh, there you go. Took that. Now they collected that 15-minute.
Order cancelled.
Back to 415. It's alright. One minute. This can continue lower, to be honest. Yeah. Like I said before, you know, once we sold, then we can just continue lower. Not a lot of liquidity on this candle. They swept that liquidity here. Actually, that was a sweep. Very tiny, but it happened. Been buying into this. I think we did sell into 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I sold into all of that. Let's wait for some pop. I'll try to load short again, and if we can get that, we might not get that opportunity. It's just there's no direction today. It's very difficult to trade. It's just all about scalping, really. It's just ranging. This market is just ranging, really. We're sitting on the view up now. Yeah. Yeah, painful, huh? We recognize that it's just moving fast now. Back into this fair value gap, but at this point, this fair value gap, it's not gonna work because they already sold into. Nasdaq also did that. I was watching Nasdaq for this candle high here, and they did push finally. The moment they pushed, look what happened. We dropped. So, well, I'm not gonna lie, because of a couple of losses that I took, I had to take that. I mean, I was thinking I had to take the straight, close that here. But I was expecting a little bit of front running. Didn't expect we're just gonna dump like that immediately. But we did. Also, this fair value gap is holding. Difficult, very difficult day. That push.
Order
Let's
submitted.
try to get that little short of that trap logs here.
Order submitted.
See if it's gonna work. Just some little scalp again. Nothing too big. Nibbling basically. Bits. Can you please touch me there?
Order filled.
Just grab $70. If intention was to collect that now properly, because that drop was just a little bit weak. This is the proper one. So we have collected basically everything from 10:35. I don't know. So we do have that level here, right? Still waiting. But I have to be responsible, and I'm looking at my profit today. It's 700, 500 on two other accounts. It's just time to walk away from the table, pretty much, because this liquidity has been played. So just to summarize, we opened, we pushed, we dropped below the open, collected everything. So you can actually see this here. This is RTH. You can see this here. Again, really nice drop below. The moment we collected that bit, 1, 2, 3, 45 minutes of trading. Displaced the market higher, sold into these highs, 1, 2, 3, with this push. And then we just basically were grinding, just not doing much really. We had some trapped longs up here in this area from yesterday's close. This could have been a reason why market didn't want to continue higher immediately, because of these guys here getting out. And I mean, like, when I look at that, and what I was trading on Friday evening, like I was hoping for a push into this level on Friday. We never got that. We took a couple of longs here. We closed, we scalped it. We made some money. We dropped later on. I had to take a loss of, I think, $90. I was trading MES. So we never hit that level here. There's a lot of liquidity up here. I like that drop. I thought we might just drop completely to the bottom, but because I'm kind of thinking, I don't know whether I'm bullish or bearish, like kind of mixed when I look at daily. We took that low on daily, fine. Yeah, so we're popping higher. Yeah, let's not forget about that. We took that low, basically. We opened below. We're popping higher. Highs up there. On daily, we touched the previous day as well. The first day low. Yeah. Not a lot of liquidity here on this candle. It was just a flush. So I think we might go up there. I think we might just displace higher into this level here. Yeah. Because they dropped immediately, that was just a stop loss hunting. They didn't build liquidity to drop. They didn't build shorts. I was expecting that they will come back. They will front run this, come back up here, and short again. And then we're gonna go. And now it looks like they just wanted to grab this liquidity here. It was 87 to 83, 4 points move to the downside. Proper stop loss run on this whole range. If you look at that, basically tapped into this low volume node on the drop. And we're most likely gonna go higher now. But it's lunchtime soon. That means we can just fool around here for a while. They don't need to do it now. They can do it afternoon, after lunch. 1:30, 2 p.m. yeah, I'm done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Pretty decent day. 700, 500 and 500. Take care.